car guys, how's it going today? It's a beautiful morning and I'm coming at you with a video that I'm really happy about. It is the 5 best first car mods that you can do if you just got a car. Now I know you just got your first car, or maybe it's just a new car that you just upgraded to and you're super excited about it. The first day having it is just like dream come true, and honestly every day after that, if you love that car, is the exact same way. So I got my buddy here. I don't know if you can see him, he's kind of hiding behind my back, but that's my budgie right there. He's my little mini parrot. He hangs out on my shoulder a lot, so he's gonna chill with me for the video. Now, what you wanna start with, you're gonna want performance and some visual aspects too, obviously. Because you wanna look good, you want the car to perform well. So in this list, we have about half of them are appearance and about half are for performance. So starting out right off the bat, you got your car, maybe you have a low budget, so you gotta pick some things to check off and just do the top stuff first. Let's look at wheels and tires. The wheels and tires are one of the biggest performance benefits that you can add to your car and get appearance at the same time. You're just gonna be hitting yourself against the wall if you wreck your brand new car because you're too cheap to put nice tires on it. As far as wheels go, that's the single biggest thing you see when you look at the side of a car. What do you see? Like, what do they look like? If they're all chipped and scratched up because the previous owner hit them against a bunch of curbs and stuff, you want to throw those out and get new nice wheels. Personally, I don't like chrome stuff. I like more subtle colors like graphites, bronzes, blacks, carbon fiber style. Those ones are the top ones for me. All right. After that, first thing I do when I get a car is I do headlights. Headlights, if they're fogged, if they're yellowed, they can make the whole car look old and gross. The last thing you want is yellowed headlights. So I always, if they need it, I put in new headlights that are clear, or if I can afford it, then I put in like blacked out spider headlights. And another thing that I've also done is I've dipped my headlights to make them blacked out, smoked kind of. I don't like the pure blacked out ones because I think it's kind of dangerous. People need to see you. But I've smoked my headlights before, like my Civic Del Sol has smoked headlights, and it looks they look terrific. All right, after that, one of the easiest things if you're gonna be dipping your headlights to go to is what's number 3 on our list, and that is emblems. Emblems, you can change them out, put what you want on there, dip them. Say there's a trim level you want that emblem, throw it on there. Maybe you have a V6 Charger, but you always like the SRT emblem. Go ahead and pop off your V6, I don't know what the emblem is even for those ones. But throw the SRT emblem on there. It's your car, do whatever you want. Next on our list is going to be something that is super performance oriented, and that would be probably the easiest way you can add power to your engine without spending a lot of money. This would be your intake. Now a lot of guys have different ideas on how to make the perfect intake setup. A lot of them use spacers, a lot of them use cone air filters that just suck a bunch of air in. A lot of them use these big chrome tubed ram and intakes and cold air intakes and stuff. Not a good idea to go with anything metal. The reason the car manufacturers use plastic tubes on their intakes is because they don't get heat soaked. So sure, for the first 5 miles of driving, that cold air intake or short ram with the big metal tube might get you more air, it might have more power. But once it heats up, you're actually gonna be losing power using those things. What I personally like to do with my method is I keep my stock air box and then find a premium high flow air filter to use in it. This is make sure that the air ducting and everything is the exact way that the engineers planned for it to be, but then you are upgrading your airflow over what it is stock by putting in a premium high flow filter. Last on our list, this is number 5. This is gonna be probably the biggest power adder you can do to your car. It's gonna be more expensive than the intake, but it's the biggest power adder you can do without turbocharging or supercharging it. And that is to do an exhaust system. When I say exhaust system, I mean a real premium exhaust system. not a $50 one off eBay, not I got my hacksaw off and cut off my tailpipe so now it's real loud. That's great, your car is loud. It also sounds horrible. No one likes it, you're not impressing anyone. And you didn't gain any power, you now have a massive exhaust leak that's losing power. So when you're going for a catback, excuse the budgie parrots, they seem to be talking a lot today. You're gonna wanna go with a high quality system where you can actually gain power from the exhaust. There's a lot of power to be gained through your exhaust if you do it right. Exhaust is one of those things that you might be able to find a used one and save some money that way, as long as it's a real exhaust system. But don't cheap out on it. All right, well that wraps up the top 5 first car mods that you should be doing to your car. I hope this helped out any newbies or anybody just looking for new ideas. And I'll catch you next time on Import Life. Thanks for watching.